Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to set up automatic investments on Charles Schwab. Now, when you go to charlesschwab.com, okay, schwab.com, you'll see here the Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Can come here, click on Get Started. And what it basically is, guys, you have to first fill a short questionnaire. So if you click on Get Started, we'll reach this page. We come here, click on Continue. You'll basically answer 12 straightforward questions. Okay, just click on Continue right here. And there are some fees. There's a $300 upon enrollment and $30 per month. So explain to them what kind of account you want to use this for. Like, what do you want? What are you expecting? What are your goals? Okay, they'll establish your goals, your risk tolerance, your timeline, right? And then they'll get you a diversified portfolio of ETFs that are chosen by their experts. Okay, and they'll have their robo-advisor that will monitor your portfolio daily and automatically rebalance it as needed. Okay, as you can see right here. So that is what will happen. You can set up that intelligent portfolio and put in an amount as a deposit to start with, and if you want, you can keep adding to your portfolio. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.